This is how you attach your lantern to your backpack. You first gotta get a backpack from... What's her name?
The pack lady.
The pack lady within the town. This lady right here. The shopkeeper, Doran. Then you go to your inventory. Yeah, it attaches it automatically. So pretty much you go to there and move the Nomad backpack and it attaches it to the bottom. Oh, I'm messing this up big time. Okay, then you do this, press X, then you can light it. Bam! Just like that.
Then it just hangs on
And
your
that's
butt.
your how-to video. Thank you for watching. Leaky Faucets out.